Hey guys, summer is here, and it's time to glow up. In this video, I'll be giving you some tips on how to upgrade your look and feel confident this summer. Whether you're trying to impress someone or just want to feel better about yourself, these tips will help you achieve your goal. So, let's get started. Get in shape. Summer is the perfect time to start working on your physique. Start by setting a fitness goal, whether it be losing weight or gaining muscle, and create a workout plan that you can stick to. Make sure to also watch what you eat, and stay hydrated. Here is an example if you haven't any equipment at home. Do this 3 to 4 times a week and you will see some results, if you eat around 1 gram of protein per pound. Clean up your diet. Your diet plays a big role in your fitness. Cut out processed foods, sugary drinks, and junk food. Focus on eating lean protein, fruits and vegetables, and healthy fats. Upgrade your skincare routine. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and taking care of it is essential. Start by washing your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser, followed by a toner and moisturizer. Use a facial scrub once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells, and don't forget to use sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Upgrade your wardrobe for the summer season by investing in some new clothes that fit well and make you feel confident. Opt for light and breathable fabrics, such as cotton and linen, and add some colorful and patterned pieces to your wardrobe. Take care of your hair. Get a fresh haircut before the summer starts and make sure to keep your hair clean and well styled. Use a shampoo and conditioner that are suitable for your hair type, and consider using a styling product to add some texture or hold to your hair. Practice good hygiene. Good hygiene is important all year round, but it's especially crucial during the summer. Make sure to shower regularly, brush your teeth twice a day, and wear deodorant. Don't forget to trim your nails and clean your ears as well. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water is essential for healthy and glowing skin. Make sure you drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day to keep your body hydrated and your skin looking fresh. Work on your confidence. Finally, work on your confidence by practicing positive self-talk and stepping outside of your comfort zone. Take on new challenges and try new things, and don't be afraid to ask for help or advice when you need it. Check out my video linked in the video description for more tips. So, those were some tips on how to glow up before summer as a young guy. Remember, the key to glowing up is to take care of yourself both physically and mentally. With these tips, you'll be looking and feeling your best in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.